welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we are at the Disney outlets, and I don't know why I can't focus. Disney outlets in Camarillo, and I believe it is a 25% off sale. So I might go a little crazy. I'm here with my brother and my husband, so we'll see how much time they allot for me. But yeah, let's hear all about it. All right, we're gonna go straight to the sale.
Hi, welcome in.
Hi.
You got extra 25% off our clearance this weekend.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah. No problem.
Thank you. Straight off the bat, I'm coming to the Loungeflies. So it's 54 with 25% off. 60, and this one looks like this. We have slippers for 23, and then the Scroot one for 60. I kind of like this one though, but I do not need more Loungeflies. 60. So it has to be a Loungefly that I really like. We have a jacket or a hat, $10, so $7.50. $15, 18. They do have bucket hats for 21, and they say 2024 on there. Oops, I'm not showing you, sorry. There you go. And then they have these bags. I haven't seen these before. They're 60. Oh, they're backpacks. And then this inside out one. Cute. Oh, what is this? It's like a little mini backpack, fanny pack. Oh, you put your water bottle on there. It's 60. They're kind of expensive, huh? The Pulsar. Oh, 82. That's not bad. 100, 120. We have this alligator one, which is super cute. And this one is, I don't know. I know it's on sale. I saw it last time. 40. And then this one, Grand California, 150. We have Christmas.
Do you like this for Josie?
Oh wait, no, this isn't Christmas. It's just regular, 15. They have this jacket. It's a 2X. It's cute. I don't think there's a price tag on it. Oh yeah, there is. 30. 30 with 25% off. And then you have Spirit jersey. Very cute. Spirit jersey was 35. Okay, we also have ornaments. They're 13 with 25% off. So I'm gonna get my little trash can as a decoration for my desk. Can you hold my trash can? We also have Chip and Dale, the Sphere, Belle. Oh, it's the Muppet. No, Pluto. The Incredibles. We have this really pretty one. This Mickey one right here, and then Donald Duck and Pink Sphere. More ornaments. Oh, you can put a picture on this one. Tinkerbell, the Witch, and then you have
25% off our clearance this weekend. Yes, I know. Let me know if I can help.
what's this one from? Oh, Home Alone. Yeah? Home Alone, Gwen Stacy, Mulan, the Hulk. Oh, they do have the kitty one. Do you like this one, B? For Cleo? There's more Christmas on sale. You have Angel and Minnie. You have Brian, but he's not on sale. 50%. Wow. Plates. These plates are cute, actually. Are these not on sale? Oh, they're 20. Okay, so these were the designs, and this one's 22. We have an advent calendar for 30. Cookie jar for 30, and then the cup is 20. Oh, look how cute. First Christmas, 12. And then this little Santa Mickey for 20. Oh, it's a Hanukkah one for 13. Bubble ones, get them now. 16 with 25% off. Loungefly 40, so 30. Oh, the weighted Mickeys. The pillow 16. This one is 20. And then they do have the Santa stitch for 16. They have a little onesie for 12. And then this PJ pack for 12. Alright, they have these for 16. They're actually quite nice. And then ears, 22. Okay, and then all of this is regular price. It's on sale, so it's like, you know, sale prices, but it's not on clearance. Costumes, some of them are regular price, some of them are like clearance. Like this one, for example, is 31. So it just depends on which ones you're looking at. 22. All of this is clearance. Brian again. Now 60% off. Oh, casita. And then they have more costumes, but I think some of this is regular price. So let's look at the rounds real quick. We have Stitch. I'm just gonna show you the designs. Disney D. Wakanda Forever. Oh, is this a dress? I'm gonna get this. Let's see if they have my size. This one is, we're all smalls. So if you're a small, come snatch it up. I'm not, so can't snatch it up. This is adorable. It's 22. All right, they have this one, 40. I think it's a cake worthy. It's really cute. This one, we saw these ones a while ago. Adorable. They have a little collar. More Stitch. Jessie and Betty Boop. No, what's her name? Oh, 13. What do you think of this one? So. Oh, I love this one. 14. Oh, it's gonna fit me though. They have Inhale, Exhale, 626, Osaka, Halloween, Mickey. What is this? Oh, Star Wars. Princesses. 8. Oh, 8 for this one. Okay. And then we have another round of clothes. Ooh, Lion King. Casita. We saw these ones last time we were here. 15 is not a bad. Anyways, they have these. They say 2024, and they are 35 or 25% off. Have these Mickey Sunshine ones. These are cute. Nothing can stop me now. That's what I think of. Oh, Hannah Montana. The Best of Both Worlds. I think it's cake worthy. 37. Ooh, this one's nice. This one is 60. Oh my goodness. I wish it fit me. It's so cute. Is it worth trying on? No. You're at 3XL. Come snatch it up, girl. Like, or whoever. It's 60. 40. 89. We have marble. These pants. 85. Wow. More. Oh, it's Tommy Hilfiger. That's why. This is cute. $100. It's adorable though. Some shorts. This dress. Orange bird. We have this dress. Okay, and that's the rounds. We also have just regular clothes. 35. There's t-shirts. This stuff is newer. This one is 35. Let me make sure I am with you. Yeah, 35. 13. This one is 40. 18. We have sweatpants. Oh, I love sweatpants. 35. up. And then we have more Tinkerbell. How far I'll go? Are these on sale? No, I think these are regular price. And I believe all of these ears are regular price and bags, except for this one. This one's 17. Let me see if I can go to it. This one's 17, but the rest of these are regular price. But yeah, so these are the rounds. Oh, big fanny pack. This is huge. Grooms. They have groom and bride for $8.
Have you seen
Clogs.
the new pink sweater that they have?
Not on sale.
No, that's the
30.
no, that one's the baby one.
What's in here?
They only make them baby.
Ooh, mouse pad. I did say I like this mouse pad. So this one's 30 with 25% off. And then they have this Disneyland one. And this one is 30. And then, oh, they have the little kana. Okay, so we've seen all of this corner. Regular price. We came in through the middle, so you've seen all of the holiday stuff. Let's go over to the pins. Are these on sale? Nope, they're still 50. All of the pins are regular price. Yeah, regular price for all of the pins. And then they do have some fans on sale. This one's $8 now. Kind of have to get it. For $8. This one's also $8, but I don't know what the pattern is. There is a Halloween one for $8. Oh, the Hocus Pocus one is now $8. This one's $9. $6. These are all ear holders now. Oh, here are some pins. This one is $21 for 3 of them. This one is also $21 for 3 and $21 for 3. So it looks like it's just churros, gingerbread cookie, or apple. They're pretty cute. This is regular price. They do have a Groot for 13. 40. Oh, 21 for this one. 21. Ah, no! And 21. All right. Moving on to this corner. Same thing. These are mostly on sale, not clearance, but some are. So this one's 17 with 25% off, and they also have Angel. They have these plushies. 15. I think this is a weighted one. Oh, it is. 25. Okay, there's more plushies. There's these Halloween minis. And then there's more weighted ones. And I don't know if all the weighted ones are on sale. I don't think they are. No, these ones are not on sale. And then more plushies. And I don't know if these are on sale. No, they're not on sale. So these are, sorry, they are sale, but they're not clearance. They do have kid rounds. Again, let me know if you ever want me to do a slow-mo of the kid rounds, because I tend to just run through the kid rounds. $26. That's some cute stuff for the kiddos, but I'm just gonna run through it. They also have swim. I think this, yeah, for the kids. And then swim, that's regular price. Let's look at cups, and I think that's it. Regular price. Looks like regular price. I think these will be on sale. Yeah, 13. They have this home one. This little towel. Oh, more plates. Mickey plates. 27. And they all look the same. They all look like Mickey. I'll get that all along. And then Baymax up there is on sale for 20. I kind of like him. I feel like I would get him dirty so fast. And then these Haunted Mansion decorations. Well, you're looking at the cups right now. The cups are 25. But then we have here down here. And I think that's it. They do have Valentine's Day stuff, but yeah, that's all I see for items on clearance. So these are the things that I got. We got this little sweatshirt as a gift, and it was $22 with 25% off. I got the fan. It's like a Haunted Mansion fan for $8. And then we got my trash can, but that one is wrapped up. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, adios.